Hello everyone, welcome to a new AI tool review. In today's video, we're going to be going through AItubo. I'm going to be showing you how to use this tool. I'm going to give you tips and tricks how to advance your AI generation using AItubo. Before jumping into the tutorial, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. After jumping into AItubo using the link in the description box, you need to create your account. Create your account for free using your Google account or the preferred method. Click on the profile, click on settings. It's going to take you to settings, and you're going to see right here if you want to use AItubo for private, meaning you can generate images, content, and it's not going to be displayed for people to see. And of course, you can have the NSFW content turned on and off depending on your preference. So you just click right here, which is going to take us to the subscription button. In order to keep your generations private, you need to subscribe to AItubo. You're going to see a lot of discounts starting from the yearly plan. If you are planning to use this tool for a long term, you can save almost to half of the price. But if you want to pay only for 1 month and try it, you click on pay monthly and select the plan that suits you well, and you can see the features that you can get. You're going to notice right here the word tokens. This is the currency that you're going to use on this tool to generate content, either it's videos, images, and so on. And of course, a lot of features like priority, you don't need to wait a lot, and the main thing, private generations, so you can keep your content in case you're working on a private project, etc. And the payments are available as well on the PayPal and Stripe. All you need is to pick your plan. Let's say you want to use the tool for free. That's okay. You're gonna go back. After you go back to the main page, you can see that you have these free daily tokens. For now, you have 100 when you open your account. You click on this little gift right here, and you can see that you can get daily tokens if you log in. So for example, if you log in day 1, you get 50, day 2, day 3, etc. So you need to not miss any day and click claim. As you will notice, AItubo offers video, image, and music. Right in the left side, you have tools, which are the tools available. You can see image generator, video generator, music generator, and lately they added DeepSeek AI. As you see right here, you got your prompt area. You got your style. You can pretty much choose fantasy, watercolor, comic, line art, abstract, hyperrealism, futuristic, steampunk, origami as well, which is pretty interesting. You got the LoRa right here, in case you want to train your models. You got the performance. For the free, you get this one, but if you want a pro, you can subscribe to their plans. Dimensions are pretty much free to use, which is cool. Gonna keep it in square. And number, you get up to 4 generations. Alright, so I got this very tricky prompt from ChatGPT. I mainly made it tricky so we can challenge the models available on AItubo. So we're gonna choose a model. I'm gonna go with fantasy and see how detailed it's gonna be. So after making sure your prompt is good to go, you can hit generate, or maybe if you're not sure, you can click on this and the AI will enhance it for better results. You're gonna notice after you click on generate, you see you can have priority, which means your generation is going to be faster if you are a paid member, of course. Alright, that was pretty fast for a free user though. And do not forget, these generations cost you tokens, 57 tokens for 4 of them. So I personally do like the results. I like the variety of the results. We have the owl itself playing the DJ as an owl, and then we have like a human type of body with an owl head, which gives a different, like, depending on what you want. Let's say, for example, you like this one. You can click on these 3 dots. You can download. You can generate emotions, make the picture animated, upscale in case you want to have it more clear, out paint, which is a new feature in paint as well, and you can delete the generation if you don't like it. For example, if you click on upscale, you can see you have up to 4 upscaling levels. Also the creativity, how much you want the AI to advance in the image details, and of course it's needs tokens as well. This is for clarity upscaler, and if you click on fast upscaler, this will basically increase the resolution a little bit. It costs only 3, but if you want specific upscaling details, you click on clarity upscaler. The second feature we're going to be talking about is the video generator. You click on video generator. You notice you have 3 options: text to video, image to video, and reference to video. The first one is a text to video feature, which means you describe your video and the AI will turn your words or prompt into a video. And you see you can have up to 10 seconds for now, the ratio aspect as well. You can enhance your prompt, and of course the same private generations. And this is a seed. It's used for multiple generations. If you generate a specific video or a content and you want to generate the same but in a different prompt, you can use a seed to keep generating the same style. The second one is the image to video. So this one you're going to use instead an image to turn it into a video. You get the prompt option as well, but it's just to help the AI generate your video, but the main reference is going to be the image. You have the same settings for text to video. Third method is the reference. In this one you upload the image, but this time you need to add a prompt, meaning the image would not be the main source for the AI to generate your video. It's going to be the prompt that will guide it to generate the video, and it's going to use the image as a reference. I hope that clears out these 3, and of course all these 3 video generation features requires you to be a paid member. Of course, we already went through the plans. You can go and check them again. Moving on, we have the music generator. So it basically makes music for you using AI, which is really cool. You notice here they have 4 models. You can pretty much like describe the song how you want it, like the genre, like how the feeling of it, the lyrics, the theme. So all you need is just to describe your song that you want it to be generated. And if you really have an issue in describing the prompt, just use chatbots that would help you do that. For example, ChatGPT. If you talk to ChatGPT and ask him for a song, they will make a proper prompt that would be easier for the AI to know what you really want. And of course, you can generate only instruments, meaning no lyrics, only the instrumental version as well. Fourth feature is the DeepSeek AI Assistant, which is a beta feature. So you pretty much can use DeepSeek version 3 on AItubo. If you click on AI Laboratory, you pretty much can see what the AItubo offer. They have extra features like AI headshot generator, which is like an extraction from their image generator feature, super resolution, of course, upscaling images, phantom, you can remove backgrounds, swap faces, AI dance, which is another way to go viral on TikTok. And by the way, I made a specific video on how to make a content that would go viral on TikTok. If you want to check that out, I'm going to leave it as a card on this video. Image editor as well, token avatar, and AI chats. You can pretty much chat with characters on AItubo. If you come right here, you can chat with these characters. All you need to do is hit chat and you're good to go. You get their names, background for more connection. And the last step I want to talk about is this one. Is called galleries. It's like a gallery for art that people generate. So you can scroll right here, get inspiration. You get all type of arts, themes, characters. It's a fun little site on AItubo. If you click on rankings, you can see the AItubo users or community, because you can like vote for generated art within the AItubo community, which is a pretty cool feature for me, for people who are into AI arts, art enthusiasts, painters. This is going to be a fun feature for them. Alright, that is it for today's video. Tell me in the comments, have you used AItubo? If you already did, which one is your favorite feature? And do you think is AItubo worth it or not?